I'm using structures on this table to help me plot out my new modules. I find that this works better for me than using software. It can be hard for me to translate my plans to reality as far as space goes. I've tried duplicating plans from articles, and I find that they often lack space where it really needs to be. Gathering some structures, starting with the most important and the biggest, helps me see how things are going to look when I get them installed. Space, theme, and design all come together a bit easier for me this way. A little track, a few trains, and you can begin to see what your layout will look like right in front of you. If you have some foam and pins, this can really help elaborate on the track plan. It takes some space and a bit of time, but I think it could help you visualize your plans better, like it does for me. I'd love to hear how you plan your layout. What techniques work for you? It can be tough to get a solid plan down, but you should never get discouraged. Step back, take a breath. It will all be right where you left it. I hope this can help you in designing your model railroad. Thank you for watching Sean's Trains on YouTube.